Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to create Minecraft in Infinite Craft. So the first thing you want to do is grab fire, put it here, and afterwards grab water on the fire to create steam. After steam, you grab another fire, create an engine, and then after engine, what you want to do is grab earth, put it under the engine like so. Then after that, grab another fire to the earth to create lava. After that, grab water and put it in lava, create stone. After that, you get wind. You put it into the stone to create sand. After that, what you want to do next is put the sand to the engine to create a sandbox, just like in Minecraft. And then get earth under the sandbox like this. Grab wind, put it on the earth, create dust, grab another earth to the dust, create a planet, and then grab the planet to the sandbox, and you're gonna be able to create Minecraft. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.